everybody, today I'll be making a butterfly. So if you're gonna make a butterfly, you will need glue, scissors and colored half sheets, any color you like. So for example, I will be showing you this one I made. The butterfly will look like this, and if you want to stick the butterfly somewhere, you need to put sticky tape on the back here. Right here, you need to put sticky tape and you can stick. So first we need to fold this like in a triangular shape. Make sure that it goes straight, or else the butterfly is gonna get wet. So this doesn't really need to be beautiful, it just needs the lines. Now you need to cut the bottom part of it. Now we got a perfect triangle. Now we are going to open it and do the same to the other side. Now you need to unfold this. There should be a cross here. And now you need to fold like this. This is one of the important steps. Now you need to fold from this side. Now this over here is a bit tricky, so you might want to look at this. So you see this triangle, you just bend the triangle in like this. You see, like that. You do the same in this side. If you did it correctly, you will get a triangle shape and this kind of design inside. That. And after, you need to fold it like this. Use the scissor. Now hold it like this. You hold like this, and over in this corner, you cut this. Like this. After that, you need to do this. You need to fold this like that and fold this part too. Have a diamond shape, kind of like that. Now you need to, you see this part, you just wanna lift this. Make sure that this stays down. Only lift this. Lift it hard. And put it in here. Like this. You have to glue it here. Put a little bit of glue. Now you need to stick it like. Now you fold. Now you press on it like this. And now fold it. Now you need to fold this and keep it like this, and you're gonna get this shape. Now we are gonna open it. You see, we have a perfect butterfly. Now if you want to stick the butterfly, you need to just put this in. So we have 2 cute butterflies now. So this is it for today. I hope you all enjoy this video. Please subscribe. Yeah. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye guys.